Hey everybody, Allie here. We are back ready to make a new batch of soap. We are just checking our temperature of our oils and our lye water. And now we are going to mix in some kaolin clay before we add the lye water mixture. Time for the lye water mixture to go into our oils. I'm just going to go ahead and strain that and make sure we don't get anything extra that we don't want in there. And let's give this a good mix. Now that everything is all incorporated, I'm going to go ahead and split the batter off into a few different containers. We are doing 4 colors today, so we're going to do white, 2 shades of green, and then this beautiful watermelon pink color because we are making a watermelon soap today. I'm super excited about it. I made it before and it came out awesome, so I'm hoping to recreate that today. To the pink color, I'm going to add some poppy seeds just to make it look like watermelon seeds. So for the fragrance we're using today, it's watermelon sugar from Brambleberry, and this smells so good. It smells just like watermelon bubblegum. I am obsessed with it. So for the design, I'm going to try my best to make this look like a slice of watermelon. So I'm going to drop in the 2 shades of green and then layer the white on top of that. And then on top of that, we will do our layer of pink with the poppy seeds. And here's where things go terribly wrong. My pink batter got so thick. I just had to get it in the mold. So I'm quite fearful of what this watermelon is going to look like when I cut it tomorrow. And now it's time to design our top. So I'm just going to add some green mica drizzle to the top and give it a little swirl. And here is our finished soap. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. We are back just about 24 hours later, and we are ready to unmold our soap. Here is our first bar of watermelon sugar soap. Doesn't quite look how I wanted it to look, but that's okay. It kind of looks more like an abstract slice of watermelon, which I'm totally fine with. There are some air pockets in there, which you can see, but that's all right. The soap is still amazing and still gonna do the job. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.